This video is especially for English learners who are still waiting to become perfect, who are still waiting to learn some vocabulary, who are still waiting to grab some phrases, grab some collocations, who are still waiting to finish that grammar book. But get that shit in your head. Please stop waiting for the perfect moment. Please stop chasing it. Got it? And first of all, if you don't know me, then hi there, my name is Priya and I'm from Bihar, and welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am making this video specially for my English learners. So yeah, let's get in the video. See, I also used to be that person who used to think that one day I would just magically wake up and I am fluent, like a fluent speaker. But that's not going to happen. I was wrong. I was wrong at some point. I was wrong at thinking. But listen to me. You have to start with the English you have right now. Maybe you make mistakes a lot. Maybe you fumble a lot. Maybe you use filler words a lot. Maybe you don't have confidence. Maybe you don't have that enough vocabulary to use in this language. But जब तक आप बोलना सीखोगे ही नहीं, then where, from where you'll get to know about yourself that you lack here. So start speaking, then you will feel that where are you lacking and you can work on that. Are you getting it? उस चीज पे काम करो. जब बोलोगे पता चलेगा कि yes, this is the thing that I need to work on. Maybe you use filler words a lot. Maybe you don't have vocabularies that much enough to use in this language. Then work on that. Learn some vocabularies. Get it? और ऐसे ही रैंडम किसी vocabularies को याद नहीं करना है. Learn, I mean, read something, then you can learn that vocabulary. But I guess 3 to 5 vocabularies in a day is enough, is more than enough. Yeah. I used to learn 2 vocabularies per day. See, the most important thing that I want to say to all of you, stop comparing yourself with other people, with other speakers, with other English learners, right? Not even with me. See, maybe you are at your beginning, maybe you are learning this language, and you are comparing yourself with me. So you are at the beginning and I am somewhere in the middle, right? You haven't seen me practicing. Okay? Your journey is yours. It will never be others. Your journey will always be yours. Okay? So stop comparing yourself with other people, with other English learners. Okay? Maybe you think that, oh, this girl, this boy is same age as me, but I still can't speak like her, but I still can't speak like him. It's just your brain. Your brain is mm, telling you some, excuses not to start, because it loves living in comfort zone. You know what I'm talking about? So stop comparing. Today maybe you can speak 2 to 3 sentences, then tomorrow you will speak 5 sentences, then another day 10 sentences, then another day 15 sentences, and gradually you'll improve, right? And please don't be embarrassed about your accent. Maybe you're thinking, oh, this girl have such a good accent. No, accent shows where you come from. Okay, and don't be embarrassed about it. You will learn every single thing about this language. Trust me. Trust me, my honey bee. Yeah, and please, the goal is not to become someone else. The goal is not to become me. The goal is to become you. The goal is to become yourself. The goal is to get someone, uh, be someone like perfect than yesterday. I hope you're getting it. So stop waiting for the perfect moment and start, start, start speaking. Try using English. Don't today. Just don't watch another English video. Just start, no matter what. Okay. Try. Speak, speak, speak. And I am begging you again, open your mouth. Open your damn fucking mouth. You have no idea how much it will help you. Trust me. Pinky promise. Pinky promise you will start from today. Right now. From right now. Pinky promise. And pinky promise is a pinky promise. You can't break a pinky promise, right? Got it? Start from right now. Speak. Speak anyhow. That was it for this video. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Um, yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. And wait. If you want, I can upload a vlog. Because yesterday I went somewhere alone. I ordered something and then I wrote something. Also, I cried in public and I also recorded that. I don't know. I was writing and I started crying. Yeah. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you tomorrow. I mean, in my next video, obviously. Bye bye.